Alright, hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek and today I will be unboxing this almost real Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 1-18 diecast. And actually this is my very first model from Almost Real. Yeah, so I was so much wondering what is the quality of Almost Real, and here we come. This is the first one. It was produced in China. They also have the warning here that long-term exposure to direct sunlight may cause damage to the model. So I would probably keep it in this box, in this black box, for the entire life, just to prevent it from any damage that can be caused by a bright spotlight. Okay, so that's it. There's also a hologram here by Daimler, so this is actually a licensed product, and we also have the barcode here. This car is obsidian black. It was quite difficult to find obsidian black because it was already released like 1 year ago, and I was just saving my money to afford this one, and now I have it. Yeah, and most of them now are only white, or I don't know, there is also I think 2 more colors like silver and 1 more, but to find black, this is now a little bit more difficult. And you can see that there was a sticker here with the price tag, and I removed the price tag, but I can already tell you that it was actually I think 200 euro. Okay, which is something like, I don't know, 230 US dollars. Still not so bad, because I believe this will increase its price, because many people are also interested what is this modeling compared to the Auto Art Maybach and this one. You know, this one is diecast, it's not composite, so it's not plastic, and it should be heavier, and this is why I bought this one. So let me already start unpacking. Alright, and maybe you can see that we have the almost real here, and then we have a small booklet here. And actually, I don't want to remove it. I don't know how this is attached. Okay, there is a tape. And since I want to keep it in original shape, I will not remove this, but I will just show it to you. So here it's a nice card and a certificate. It says here, this is serial number 553, and what I found out is that they produced 999 of these black models. So I am actually the new owner of this number 553, and I'm very proud actually. So there is also a nice seal. I have never seen such a seal with an arrow. So here the arrow is showing. Okay, let me remove the seal on this side and also on the other side. Okay, and now finally to open the box. This is really amazing, really amazing. Look at it, it's quite long, and I can promise later I will also compare it to my other models. I have Mercedes-Benz S-Class from Noref. I have also the one from Auto Art, the Pullman, the long one, and now I have also this one from Almost Real. Oh, and it's heavy. Yes, it is. I like it. Okay, maybe, you know what, I will not maybe open it because I'm still a little bit hesitant. It's so brand new, so amazing. So let me maybe first review a little bit the model. So what I can already see are the beautiful headlamps here with all those details. Wow, it's so transparent. There is not even any scratch, any fingerprint. This is perfect. Really perfect. And here I can also notice that the Mercedes-Benz star here, it's a little bit bigger than on my other models. Yeah, on Noref it's a little bit thinner, but I don't know, maybe this one looks a little bit more majestic. Okay, and then there is also a tiny one tiny here just below the star, and it's so small that it's barely visible, but it's there. And then we have the license plate, which is saying Mercedes-Maybach, and that's all what it says. And then we have also here this square with all the sensors, radars, and also cameras maybe inside, and this is quite nicely done. Now, if you are asking, is the front grille perforated, then yes, it is. But now when I'm checking the inside, I cannot really like see the ventilator or anything there, yeah, but still okay. Now from the side, you can see those wheels are so shiny, so perfect. I can see the screws, I can also see the brake caliper here. Interesting, Kirk. And then this V12 indicating that it has of course this V12 engine like all the Maybachs. And then we have very nice chrome trims here all around the windows. There are not so big gaps, so the gaps are minimal between the doors. I really appreciate it. And there's also this Maybach logo here, so this is how you recognize it's a Maybach. Actually, there is one more thing. I think here in this part it's a little bit longer than the standard S-Class, yeah, and also here the chrome part is a little bit like thicker. Also here between the doors, I think here it's normally black, but here it's also chrome, and also the rear window is almost not transparent, it's shaded, and you can still see a little bit through it, but just not so much. Okay, so that's it. And also the back part maybe. Now nice exhausts here, and also the rear lamps, they look very realistic. Okay, so there is this nice stripe just here, a silver one. The entire glass is then red. We have the Maybach logo here, Mercedes star in the middle, and then we have this S600, also a very nice detail here. Okay, and actually there is also a gas door right here, but you cannot open the gas door, it's just yeah, 3D effect. But and then we have also those nice stripes here and here. It's like decorating the whole car. Very nice. And as I said, I'm not sure if I want to open it now because it's so precious. But look inside, it's incredible. Yeah, also the steering wheel, all the details like on my other Benzes, but this one is actually Maybach. But it looks quite realistic. What maybe I will do, that of course one day I will fully unbox it and fully review. I will also open the doors and everything for you, so that you can see actually what is also inside. But I will do it only when I compare the car. Okay, so I will be actually comparing this model to my other Mercedes-Benz S-Class models, and also to the Maybach Pullman that I have from Auto Art. I will be maybe comparing all the lights, details, interior, and so on. Also the weight, of course, because this one is quite heavy. It's full metal, it's die-cast metal, it's not plastic. That's why they also advertise it on their web page. So if you go to Almost Real, the advantage there will be this is not plastic, this is die-cast, and I don't know what is better. Definitely collectors prefer die-cast from what I read on all the discussions and also in the comments of my channel. People like die-cast more. Okay, and then only a question, what would happen to plastic models after some time? Would there also be some paint rush, or I don't know. And maybe also to show you here, yeah, actually it's not so much transparent. I would expect that I can see through the roof, through the sunroof, but actually I can see only reflection of my face now, so hello. Okay, but I don't see anything in the interior. Alright, so as I mentioned, this was just an unboxing, but I will now keep it like this. and what you can expect in near future is that I will fully remove it out of the box, then I will compare it to my other models and make a full-blown review to also make sure that then you can decide if to buy the one from Noref, the one from Auto Art, or the one from Almost Real, which is this one. And I really like it. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.